No water dumped on me or something? No eggs thrown in my head?
No
eggs fucking thrown in my forehead?
Eggs. Okay, you ready?
What, you just slide the plate?
No. Here, I got right here. Taste test number 1. He was slapping. Taste test number 1. All right, open your mouth. I'll just find
I don't know. I want to. No,
right,
I'll do it.
All right, here. Look. That's the end with the food.
Damn. I didn't get nothing. Oh, did I drop it?
No, just eat it.
What is this, bro?
Just eat it.
Why are you laughing like that? That's rice? Oh, it's cake.
What? How'd you know?
Hold on, give me that fork. That shit still have frosting on it.
Alright, sweet. Alright, well, I guess we're going all hands now.
All hand food?
Yeah, it is now. You threw the fork. No, like you're gonna pinch. Alright, now turn it. Alright, well, actually, like you're gonna put it in your mouth. Alright. Eat it, bro, before that comes off.
Is it flat? How big is it? Oh, fuck. Catch up on the wheat then?
There's one more in it. There's one more ingredient.
No, I'm gonna think of it, bro.
Hey, no, next one.
I have a picture memory photo of what's in the fucking fridge right now. Alright, fuck it.
Alright, so put your hand the same way. You don't want to drop this one. Don't tilt it at all.
That's a wheat thing too.
Yeah, you don't want to drop this one though.
Move it. Grab it. I don't trust it. Put that bitch in my mouth. What is it, dude? Hey, look.
Alright, ready?
Is it,
Why
you always laugh like that every time, dude? Like.
Alright, are you ready?
No. Run it. That's a wheat, fam. But what is this? Oh, I'm not feeling that.
Do it.
What is it, bro?
It's not even bad. It's good. I fucking ate that for breakfast.
A sausage?
Yes. This is too much, dude. This is so fucking funny. I gotta hold this one though.
No, that one's no, because that's the bad one. It's the fourth one. It's the bad one.
No, there's more than that.
I watch these videos on
There's
YouTube.
more than that.
There's more than what?
I just don't want this to come off of this. You're gonna fucking tilt it and it's gonna go all over.
Hold on, bro. Ah.
What up, bro?
Full fucking send.
Open.
There's some hot sauce. I ain't scared of no hot. I'm coming.
Alright, ready?
Aha.
Take a bite.
Uh-uh.
Take a bite. You gotta take a whole bite.
What is this?
Just chew it, bro.
That's weird. It's hot, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, isn't it? Was that hot?
Mm.
You wanna know what that one was?
Really with pepper.
Yeah.
Water.
Alright. Open up. Here comes the choo-choo train, bro.
I'll punch you.
Sorry. Why?
Wait. Give me a hint.
A hint? Why?
That shit hurted, that's why. That shit fucking hurted. You ain't touching my mouth.
Take the bite and then spit it out if you want. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, you little. It's not even bad. You just you make it bad. You ready?
Oh, wait, yeah. God damn! My fifth green.
That was the best thing I've ever done in my life. I'm so happy this happened.
Thanks, bro.